So how can you make a video hidden on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works and all the things you need to know about it. And if you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you capture a video using the camera, everything is normal. The video is saved in the gallery. But if you want to hide it, what you're gonna do is to tap the three dots once the video is playing in full screen within the Photos app, and more options are going to appear, and one of them is literally the hide option. So it's going to tell you how it kind of works. The point is that once you hide a video, it will not appear in the main camera. The Photos app. It will not appear in your widgets. It will not be featured in your memories or anywhere else. It will simply be hidden away. And the place it's hidden away, it's literally called a hidden folder, which you can get to by going to the collections, finding the utilities, and the hidden album should be right there. So this is where the photo is going to be. Of course, photos, videos, whatever, as long as you hide it, this is where it appears. Keep in mind that in my case, it is locked with Face ID or passcode. So that is probably the default feature, but even if you don't see the protection, you can open up your settings app, go to apps at the bottom and find the photos from the list. And one of the toggles there is to use the Face ID. So you want to make sure it's enabled, and that means that the hidden album and the recently deleted photos as well are going to be locked with Face ID. So it will all be private and the videos will be hidden. So that is how it works. Let me know if you managed to set it up. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later.